Hello everyone, welcome back to Lemon Solution. In this video, we are going to see how you can view Instagram stories without revealing your identity. In this video, we are going to discuss some tricks that will help you view Instagram stories without downloading any app in your phone. So let's get started. First, we have to open your Instagram app. Make sure you have a good internet connection while doing this. Wait for a few minutes to get the story loaded. Once you see the story of that person whose story you want to view anonymously, close the Instagram app. Now click on the story which you wanted to see anonymously, like I'm clicking on this one.
If I have the mentality that I can
click, you can see.
Here's the problem with if I have the mentality.
In this way, you can check anyone's or view anyone's story anonymously. This was the first method. For the second method, once again we have to make sure that you have a good internet connection. Now open your app. Let's say I want to see this story anonymously, so I'll click on this one.
Here's the problem with excuses.
And I'll try to swipe it slowly to check. Here it is ad, so I'll swipe it fast, and now I'll swipe it slowly, and in this way I can check what is it there. Remember to not swipe it completely. As you do, you cannot watch it anonymously and your name will get displayed in the viewers list. This was the second method. For the third method, once again you have to make sure that you have a very good internet connection. After this, open your Instagram app. Let the story get loaded. Once the story gets loaded, turn on airplane mode. Now you can watch anyone's story by clicking on it like this. In the last method, which is fourth method, you have to create another account in order to see someone's story. For example, let's say I want to see Ted's story, so I'll switch my account. If you have only one account, then what you can do is click on profile icon, go to menu bar, click on settings. Here you can add or switch account. If you don't have any account, then click on add account. Click on create new account. From here you can create your account like you have created your account at the time of signing up to Instagram. So I'll close this. I'll switch to another account. And here I'll search Ted. Here it is. And now I can watch this story anonymously without revealing who I am. So you can do this as well. So these were the methods with the help of which you can watch someone's stories without revealing your identity. If you have any question, you can ask that in the comment section. Thank you so much.